Dear friends, namaste. That's Ramneek Wig right in front of you. And friends, here I shall be talking to you about the nuts for good health. Now, friends, there are several nuts. When we talk about nuts, there are many which come to my mind, right from pecan to macadamia nuts to Brazil nuts to almonds to cashews to pistachios to peanuts and several others now. But according to me, as far as the health status is concerned, the health quotient is concerned, the best nuts would be something like this. I would rate number one as pecan. Now, pecan is an absolutely wonderful nut. The ORAC value, the oxygen radical absorbance capacity, that's how we judge that how good or bad food stuff is. So nuts have a very strong antioxidant value. And out of the nuts also, the best one is pecan, which has an antioxidant value of about 17,000. So pecan is loaded with antioxidants like gallic acid, ellagic acid, and pecans are absolutely wonderful for people suffering from hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, blockages in arteries, because they're also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. So pecan would be my number one nut. Number two, I would say walnuts. Now again, when we talk about the antioxidant value, after the pecan, the next one is walnut, which is about 13,000 as far as the antioxidant value is concerned. So again, walnuts would be another very favorite of mine. The reason is that again, they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for inflammatory conditions and for cardiovascular diseases, hypertension. Inflammatory conditions like asthma, arthritis, sinusitis, migraine, they're also inflammatory conditions, and omega-3 fatty acids are again very good for them. So what omega-3 fatty acids do is they reduce the bad cholesterol LDL which is present in the system. They increase the good cholesterol HDL. They reduce the blood pressure. They're highly anti-inflammatory in nature. So walnuts would be my number two. Number three, I would give to pistachios. Now pistachios again, a very solid, a very good nut. They are among the least calorie nuts, I would say. That means if you want to lose weight, then pistachios is a very good one. They have pretty low calories as compared to the other nuts. Again, pistachios are loaded with anthocyanin. Now, this is an antioxidant which we normally find in berries like blueberry, cranberry, strawberry, raspberry, acai berry, elderberry, the blue color, the purple color. What we find in the berries is because of this very strong antioxidant called as anthocyanins. Now, pistachios are the only nut which has anthocyanins present in them. So again, a very strong antioxidant, and that makes pistachios antioxidant value to about 9,000. Now again, pistachios are also a good source of luteolin and zeaxanthin. The yellowish color what you see in them is because of these very strong antioxidants called as luteolin and zeaxanthin. Now these two are important for eyes. They're great for people suffering from age-related macular degeneration. And if you're suffering from any eye-related disorders, you must again increase your consumption of pistachios. Pistachios are also the nut which has the best quality of proteins. That means the quality of proteins, the amino acids which are present, they are just wonderful in pistachios. So again, pistachios fare a very good value there. Again, they're a good source of iron. So if you're suffering from anemia, again, pistachios would be a very good one for you. So the third in my list would be your pistachios. Number fourth after that, I would rate it as almonds. Now again, almonds are an excellent nut. The reason I would say is they have the maximum amount of vitamin E as far as the nuts are concerned. Though after the pistachios we have, after the almonds we have pistachios. But the best amount of vitamin E present in any nut is that in almonds. So almonds would be a very good one if you are lacking vitamin E. And remember friends, the vitamin E is a strong antioxidant. Antioxidants are those who help to get rid of the free radicals present in our system. And the main cause of most of the cellular related diseases, be it cancer, be it cardiovascular, be it diabetes, be it hypertension, are the free radicals which are present in our system. So free radicals are those molecules which are one electron missing. What they do is, in order to get themselves completed, they attack the DNA of the nearby cell in order to grab an electron, and they distort the DNA, and that's how another free radical or another abnormal cell gets created. So vitamin C, as I did tell you, is a strong antioxidant. And vitamin E, as I did tell you, is a strong antioxidant, and almonds are probably the nut which has the maximum amount of vitamin E. Again, almonds are also a good source of melatonin. Now, melatonin is a hormone which helps in promoting sleep. It helps in combating anxiety and depression. Almonds are good for that. Again, almonds are anti-acid in nature. So they help in combating acidity also. So if a person is acidic, if he feels acidic from inside, it's a good idea to take a couple of almonds. Now, almonds would definitely be a very important nut because they're loaded with monounsaturated fats. Again, they help in getting the bad cholesterol LDL out from the system, and they help in increasing the good cholesterol HDL in the system. So again, almonds very good for people suffering from cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, and blockages in arteries. Okay, after this, my next important nut, what I would mention here is Brazil nuts. Now, Brazil nuts, the reason I'm mentioning here in the very important category is that Brazil nuts are the best source of selenium in the world. And selenium is the only mineral which is an antioxidant in itself. Now, I did tell you right now that antioxidants are very important if you want to have optimal health. And selenium is the only mineral which is an antioxidant in itself. And Brazil nuts are the best source of selenium in the world. So again, that makes Brazil nuts great for cancer, great for diabetes, great for cardiovascular diseases, great for liver disorders. So again, a solid good nut. Let me again tell you that Brazil nuts are also loaded with monounsaturated fats. That means it's going to help you in decreasing the bad cholesterol LDL in the system. It's going to help you in increasing the good cholesterol HDL in the system. So again, Brazil nuts come into a very important category of nuts because of their importance, like calcium, potassium, magnesium present in them, and most importantly, selenium. Let me tell you that selenium is also very important for our thyroid gland. So if you're suffering from hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism, again, selenium is going to be very important for you. Though there are other sources of selenium also, like mushroom, garlic, and onions, and fatty fishes, sunflower seeds. But again, let me tell you that Brazil nuts are the best source of selenium in the world. So friends, these are the important, very, very important nuts according to me. And you must try to include these nuts in your diet. Make it a point to have at least about 10 to 20 nuts every day. That means that could include a couple of Brazil nuts, a couple of walnuts, a couple of pecan, a couple of pistachios, couple of almonds. So you can have a good mixture of these nuts. And again, remember that you must include nuts in your diet. Friends, let me tell you that I myself suffered from cancer 3 times, and pranayama, food therapy, and meditation, they really helped me in the healing process. And now I do conduct online courses on pranayama, food therapy, and meditation. These all courses are personalized. So if you're interested in doing any of these courses with me, you can directly get in touch with me. My cell and WhatsApp number is 9910178140. And I have over 1900 videos on YouTube. Also, you can check me out over there. That's youtube.com/Ramneek Wig. So friends, do take care of yourselves and have a great day ahead.